Hey, to enter for the recovery mode on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, first of all, you will have to just turn off your phone. So you can do this with the power button or with the power button and the volume up button. And now all you have to do is just to use the two buttons combination. So first, you will have to click and hold the power button and the volume down button together. And when you feel vibration and get the OnePlus logo on the screen, you will have to release the power button, and now just keep holding the volume down button. So just wait for it. It will actually take around a few seconds. And after it, we'll be actually in the recovery mode. There we go. As you can see now, we can navigate with this volume buttons. So pick the language, in my case it will be English, and confirm with the power button. And as you can see, here we are. We can format data, reboot device, or simply power off. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.